Hi everyone, so as you can see I'm in my car. It is a Nissan Note. It's a 2007 plate, but in England you get 07 and you get 57, and this car is a 57. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit of my car. So as you can see, these are the dials. I will turn the car on. Nice sound, eh? So yeah, that's my car. Down here is my mirrors, my dimmers on my lights, don't know what they are, a little cubby hole, another little hole there, my pedals as you can see, my keys, and up here is my CD player, my radio, and I've got a little cubby hole there, but that's just usually got my rubbish in so I can pick it all up quickly. The dials, like my aircon, my heat and stuff. This is cool, it's got a front bit here, and also you got your compartment which also turns into a cool box. My seat, which is pretty basic. I've got some CDs as well, which is alright, and this is awesome as well. My seat also turns into a compartment. So yeah, that's that one, and then we'll have a look in the back. That's just my back, nothing particular, just seats, and behind both of my seats I have got tables. So yeah, that is pretty cool. All my windows are all electronic. Oh, hello, you can see me. And then self-explanatory, mirrors. So yeah, I won't show you anything else, it's nothing major, a bit boring. Down here, gear stick, little hole where I can stick my money, phone charger. You also saw a purple one, which is my aux or my audio cable. I'm currently on my way to London. I live in Birmingham, but yeah, my air vents. So yeah, that's all I got to say.